Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 27th April and the trade setup for tomorrow. See, what we discussed yesterday, the market was not according to our expectation for today. What we discussed it today, maybe this is a monthly expiry. There may be a chance of a trendiness, but our strategy is if the market opens in this range, if it is a reversal or the breakout will give us a trendy day. But what happened, the market was not according to the opening itself is not according to our expectation, and our opening market is at this point. And observe this first 5 minutes candle, it is a support and from CPR and 200 EMA, though it is a support from 200, sorry, this is 20 EMA, though it is a support from 20 EMA and this CPR, we are not going to take this call position because we take a trade. See, uh, if you entered here at this point, this is 17,810, right? Your stop loss will be at this point. So the stop loss is a little big, not very big. It's a little big stop loss. We take it call position only when it is a support from CPR, like a breaking the CPR. We'll think about taking a call position. So this is not at all according to our strategy at this point. So that was the reason we are not onto the call position or to the put position. We just observe the market. So if you observe in the market without taking any position in the morning, we usually take a trade in the morning itself, right? We are not taking a trade because the market is not according to our strategy. So that was the reason we just observe the market for some hours, and if we see a clear price action, then we can go for the trade. So see, observe here, the market continuously sustained to the bullishness, right? So when you can go for the trade, it is around 1 o'clock. We'll take a trade in the morning, or we'll see a price action around 1 o'clock. These are the two trades we usually take. If we miss in the first hour, then you will think about 1 o'clock trade. Otherwise, if you have a chance in the morning itself, we don't think about taking a trade in the afternoon session. So it is a bullish strategy where if the market sustain the bullishness, then we can think about taking a call position around 1 o'clock, because we don't have a strategy in the morning. So if you take a trade around 1 o'clock, you 1 to 1:30 will give a chance to take a trade. If you take the trade, this premium melting, you can avoid this premium melting, right? So that was the reason you always think about a small stop loss. See, your stop loss will just be below this point, and there is a support from 220 EMA2. So this is the place where you can go for the call position, and your target will be up to your risk reward ratio. Minimum 60 points booking is possible with this 1 o'clock trade. See, if you observe clearly, according to our strategy, this H3 will act as a resistance. But what happened here, this H3, in yesterday's video we are very clear about this H3. H4 is going to act as a major resistance. Here H3 is not going to act as a major resistance. That is what we discussed, because the distance matters here. See this distance, the CPR distance is not very wide. This is of 30 points, and if you observe the distance between the CPR to H3, this is around 45 points, right? So if it want to be a reversal from this point, then the distance should be very wide. The market will need more space to travel, right? So that was the reason there is no reversal from this point. And if you observe for the next candles, it is clearly giving us the indication that the market is going to be in a bullish mode. And if you have a trade at this point, you have a good target today. But if you miss this trade too, then no problem, your day will be a no trading day. That's for today. There is only I'll tell you, only one setup is there today too, and we will move on to the next day. Here again the CPR is in uptrend, and the CPR has become more wide compared to today's CPR, and since the CPR has become some wide compared to today's CPR, there is a chance of H3 reversal. Here there is no H3 reversal possible, but tomorrow there is a chance H3 reversal is possible. And if the market opens in this range, yes, of course, this H3 is going to act as a reversal. And if the market opens in between this range, breaking to the upside or to the downside will decide the market. If it is breaking to the downside, you need a retest. If it is retesting to this above this top CPR, this middle CPR, keeping a stop loss just above the top CPR, you can go for the put position. And if the market opens in between this range, if it breaks or takes a support, will decide the market's direction. The best setup for tomorrow is H3 reversal. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.